Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you idea that how I can replace this damage, this wheel bolt in here. And what is this thing? Firstly, we can purchase new these bolts in our dealers, or then we can purchase this used part and we have to only remove this bolt in here, like in that one. And this removing is possible to do when we have steel vise and workbench, and I need to only hit this bolt and remove like this damaged bolt. And let's go to look at how this happens. And firstly, we have to compress this our bearing area in steel vise in that way, and then it is easy to hit this bolt with our hammer. Or then we can also try to take out this bolt in place when this bearing hoop and these bolts are in this car position. Okay, and then when I like to remove this yellow bolt, this is like damage, I need to install this wheel bolt and nut back, because I am hitting soon this nut, and I rotate that in here this way, totally end, and then I need big hammer, like in that one, and I hit that directly in this direction, and then this bolt opens. Let's look at how this happens. In this way, a couple of minutes, and now this bolt is released. And then in this back area I can take this out. And note that we have to remove this brake shoes in this back area, because this bolt is otherwise difficult to take out. Okay, and now when I have noticed that one of these my wheel bolts is back, I need to purchase new bolts from like Toyota dealership center, or then I can go to purchase used old parts with low kilometers and miles. And then when I install this new bolt back, it happens in that way, and firstly in this way, and then this automatically this bolt comes out when we install in here this our wheel. But we can also help this job so that we compress this bolt in outer area. Now when I install this bolt back, I can use this some device that I little bit move that up, and that's good device is that I can use some bigger. Okay, and then when I install this my wheel bolt back, I can use these steel plates. When I install this my bolt in here, and then I install this my steel plates in this outer area. So many, then I could in that way, and now we have quite many of these, and then I install this my wheel nut again in here, and now I compress this my bolt so much that this bolt goes back in here. And let's look in this area next.